Let's see how to connect Realme Buds T310 to iPhone. Uh, Bluetooth buds showing up on your iPhone. Connected now. If your Bluetooth buds are not showing on your iPhone, then go to the second method. If the Bluetooth earbuds device is not showing up, then reset your Bluetooth earbuds device. These are touchscreen buttons. Press and hold the touchscreen button on the earbuds for 10 seconds. Then your Bluetooth earbuds will be reset. Now your Bluetooth device is showing up on iPhone. Now connect your Bluetooth device and enjoy the music.